Hi everyone. At Lambda AI Space, we are revolutionizing remote monitoring for climate impact. Darren is a farmer, and his farm was hit by a violent storm every year, generating over 200,000 euros in losses that the insurance company has then paid. Then Darren turned out to be a fraud. This is a real case, by the way, and there is many cases like this all over the world. In fact, in the United States alone, every year, over 100 million euros of cases like Darren do not get caught, because the insurance company has to send someone in the field to check these cases, and this is not feasible. We can use high-resolution satellite imageries to be able to do that, but they're very expensive, so not very accessible. At Lambda AI Space, we have started by addressing this challenge. We have developed an artificial intelligence that is capable to generate high-resolution satellite images that are up to 100 times more cost-effective. I repeat it, up to 100 times. Now, remote monitoring is more accessible. We have plenty of data to be able to teach machine learning models how the physics of our planet works and generate precise insights on the vegetation and the soil like we have never seen before. This gives us a unique positioning in the market: low cost and high precision analytics. We've got traction with insurance, lenders, but government, financial services, and agriculture can use this technology. We have started testing successfully in the Italian market, and we have global ambitions. We deliver our service through subscription and pay-per-use revenue model. We have signed partnership with top research centers in satellites, imagery, and also we have delivered the first POC to one of our clients, and we have 4 more under development. We have 12 qualified leads in our pipeline. And today, we are here to raise 500,000 euros. This is going to help us to deliver our first sales by July, hire the team, and also deliver our pipeline to set us for growth. My co-founder, Raul, has worked for the European Space Agency and is leading the tech side. My name is Antonio Tinto, and I'm the CEO and co-founder of Lambda AI Space. Join us in revolutionizing remote monitoring for climate impact. Thank you.
So that these satellites, is this publicly available images, or are you dependent upon leasing or buying images from some other satellite service or agency? And how dependent are you then, if it's 1 or 2 companies that provide it, how dependent are you on those images and equipment?
Great question. We are agnostic, so we can use open source data, open data, but also commercial data, so just to mitigate the type of risk.
You need 500,000 for the first sales, but then you also said that you are differentiating by low cost. How do you bring back the return of investment for investors?
Well, low cost doesn't mean free, right? So if you think today an invoice can be like 500,000 to millions of dollars, we can make this way more cheaper than it is today. So it could be a third of what it is, for example.
What's the biggest challenge for you to deliver the first sales?
The biggest challenge is the life cycle. So as you may know, insurance, banking, they have long sales life cycle. So we are mitigating this by partnering with the consulting firms that already have a relationship. So myself, Raul, we have worked into a large corporation, HSBC, AXA. So we're working consulting, so we know that how that works. So working with the relationship owner, or that is a relationship in place, it helps us to shorten the life cycle.
Thank you very much, Antonio from London AI Space.